It starts here. Fresh garlic bulbs arriving directly from certified farms.
Every batch is logged before it even enters the processing floor. Buckets lift the moist slices into the dehydration tunnel. Temperature and humidity are strictly controlled inside.
Samples are sent to the lab for final verification. Approved powder is stored in sealed silos before packaging. Every batch passes through metal detection for safety.
A final metal check confirms safety before boxing. Flaps are folded and taped securely.
Quality control begins with a simple touch and visual check.
Any bulb showing signs of mold or softness is immediately removed.
High-speed blades cut cloves into consistent thin discs. The slices converge onto the main drying conveyor.
Rejected clumps are recycled back into the grinder. Fine mesh ensures only the smallest particles pass through. Expiration dates and batch codes are printed on every pack. Any bag underweight is automatically rejected.
Approved garlic enters the primary washing line.
A brief soak loosens soil and debris attached to the skin.
Rotary brushes scrub away remaining dirt without damaging the clove. Fresh water rinses away any loosened particles.
High-velocity air knives remove surface moisture before peeling.
Now they ascend to the peeling department. Gravity feeds the bulbs into the pneumatic peeling system.
Compressed air bursts separate the skin from the clove.
Human inspectors catch any remaining skin fragments.
Vibration allows loose skins to fall through the mesh.
Uniform slices ensure even drying later in the process.
Rollers gently break bulbs into individual cloves.
Wet air is expelled to keep the environment dry. Constant airflow ensures every slice dries evenly.
Technicians monitor heat to preserve essential oils.
Hot air circulates to remove moisture without cooking the garlic. Once brittle, the garlic chips exit the heat zone. They must cool completely before grinding to prevent clumping.
The dried chips are fed into the hammer mill. Rotating hammers smash the chips into coarse granules.
Rotating hammers smash the chips into coarse granules. A secondary pass creates the fine texture customers expect. The result is a consistent, aromatic garlic powder.
Any remaining large particles are removed here.
Moisture content must be below 5% for shelf stability. Microbial tests ensure the product is safe for consumption.
Color consistency is measured to maintain brand standards. Packaging lines are prepared with fresh film rolls.
Once approved, the batch is released for packaging. Precision augers dispense the exact weight into each bag.
Heat seals ensure the powder stays fresh and airtight.
Robotic arms place the pouches into cartons gently.
Flaps are folded and taped securely.
Industrial tape ensures boxes stay shut during shipping.
Finished cartons are stacked onto standard pallets.
Layers are built systematically for stability.
Pallets are stored in climate-controlled zones.
Inventory systems track every pallet location.
Orders are picked based on shipping schedules. Loads are moved directly onto delivery trucks.
Cargo is secured to prevent shifting during transit.
Once sealed, the product is on its way to consumers. This facility ships thousands of pounds weekly.
This facility ships thousands of pounds weekly. From farm to factory, quality is the priority.
Every step is monitored from a central control room.
Hygiene protocols are enforced at every entry point. Footwear is sanitized to prevent contamination. Hairnets ensure no foreign materials enter production.
Uniforms are checked for lint before entry.
An air shower removes any remaining particles.
Now they are ready to join the production line.
Between batches, machines are thoroughly cleaned.
Food-grade sanitizer is applied to all contact surfaces. Food-grade sanitizer is applied to all contact surfaces.
Swab tests verify cleanliness before restart.
Once cleared, the line is restarted.
Smooth flow indicates the machine is running correctly.
Regular maintenance prevents downtime. Belt tension is adjusted for optimal performance. Safety guards are locked before full speed. Speed is increased to meet production targets.
The entire team works in sync to maintain output.
Communication keeps the line coordinated. Communication keeps the line coordinated.
Workers take scheduled breaks to stay fresh.
It adds flavor to dishes around the world. The result is a premium spice ready for your kitchen.
Subscribe for more factory tours.
See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching the process.
Quality manufacturing brings families together.